its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release, but Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, I pray that you find Jesus here every time you visit. I just want to give God the praise and glory for his goodness towards his servant. And I just want to announce that I have a new book that came out. And I gave God the praise for a good friend of mine who encouraged me in this direction. And I kind of laughed about it and shrinked at the thought, because I'm like, I'm not so much, I don't think I could do this in my mind, right? But I had to pray. I brought it to the Lord in prayer, and the Lord impressed me to just go do it. So without hesitation, I put all the recipes together that I've done over the years. And do mind you, I wasn't always a good bread maker, to be honest. Many years ago, when I started making bread for the first time, it was hard as a rock. Okay, hard as a rock. It was not edible at all. And I remember in the quote in the Spirit of Prophecy where Ellen White specifically mentions that bread should be light and sweet. It was not that at all. Not that at all. And so, with much frustration, prayer over the years, and just learning from different individuals who were more experienced than I was, and just getting more and more practice at it myself. And I said to myself, you know what? I should never give up. I should keep trying. And I'm thankful that I did. I kept trying, prayed, made sure I put the right ratios, made sure I kneaded the right way, and so forth. And let me tell you, my breads not only come out lighter and light, I would say, but also sweet. In fact, my son is the best critic, because children are not dishonest when it comes to their likes and dislikes. So my son will even ask for seconds and thirds, and he's my critic point. So I give God the glory. My book is actually called The Living Manna Bread Recipe Book, Cookbook. And it's available on Amazon, and you're more than welcome to visit there. I have more details. And also, I also wanted to mention that, it's great to learn to make bread for you and your family. But most importantly, this book also emphasizes the importance of tasting and see that the Lord is good. The bread of life, Jesus Christ, who is the giver of life. In fact, he said in Matthew 4, verse 4, man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds out of the mouth of God. And so may God help us to continually look to him, who is the author and finisher of our faith, and that we sit at his feet, spend time with him, so that when he comes back, he will be able to sup with us, and we will sup with him. Thanks for watching, and I want to thank all who are already supporting. God bless you. And may you enjoy the recipes as well. Not only just the physical recipes, but the spiritual recipes that are in there. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you, and bye for now. If you love baking and you would like to obtain a copy of this recipe book, you may visit Amazon if you're in the US.com, Canada.ca, in the UK.co.uk, and also available in other locations. Thanks again. God bless you, and thank you for your prayers and support.
Get right with God, His pardon is free. Get right with God, He's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take Him, O sinner.